Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you how to create shortcuts of specific settings options in Windows 11 running computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me open the settings application. And now you will see here tons of different options are present. So by default, we don't have any options to create shortcuts of this respective settings options. So for this, what you need to do is just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. I will be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and visit to this website link. And after that, just hit enter on your computer keyboard. And now you will see here tons of different commands for the different settings options. So for the themes, as you can see here, so you can copy the respective options depending upon your needs. So let me just copy this themes option. You can minimize it. Now on your blank area of your desktop, just right mouse click. And now just click on this new and just select this shortcut option. So now under this blank box, just right mouse click on it and just paste the command which you have copied. Now click on next. Now you can add a shortcut name. So let me give it a themes and click on finish. So finally we have created a themes shortcut. So if I double click on it, now it will directly open the themes options present in my respective settings. So similarly, you can repeat the same process by copying the different commands of different options, and you can create a shortcuts to create a specific settings options shortcuts in your respective Windows 11 running computers. So if you never known about the cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.